In a significant legal move, Sikh pilot Angad Singh, employed with Indian private carrier Indigo, has taken his request to the Nagpur bench of the Bombay High Court. He seeks permission from the Government of India to carry his religious dagger, known as the Kirpan, both while flying and inside airports. This case underscores the intersection of religious freedom and aviation regulations, sparking a dialogue on the accommodation of cultural practices with professional settings. Kirpan, a dagger with a curved blade, is one of the 5 physical symbols worn by Sikhs which are considered markers of Sikh identity, or 5 Ks of Sikhs. The others are kesh or uncut hair, kara, which is a steel bracelet, the kanga, a wooden comb, and kachera or underwear. The petitioners, Mr. Angad Singh, contends that Sikh individuals employed in the aviation industry should have the right to carry their religious symbol, the kirpan, as it protects under Article 25 of the Indian Constitution, ensuring religious freedom. Notably, Sikh passengers are already permitted to carry a kirpan while travelling by air. In March 2022, India's Aviation Regulatory Authority, the Director General of Civil Aviation, DGCA, issued directives for exceptional regulatory sanction. These directives allowed Sikh air passengers to carry kirpans with blades not exceeding 6 inches on civilian flights. A subsequent correction notice extended this permission to Sikh employees working at airports. However, Mr. Singh argues that the same should be applicable to all employees in the aviation industry. He emphasized a Delhi High Court judgment which asserted that there should be no discrimination between Sikh passengers and stakeholders working as ground staff. Mr. Singh's plea raises questions about uniformity in religious accommodations within the aviation sector, especially regarding the carrying of the kirpan. A notification has been formally issued to the Ministry of Aviation, the Director General of the Central Industrial Security Force, and the Bureau of Civil Aviation Security, urging them to provide their responses on this crucial matter. The case is set for its next hearing on the 29th of January 2024, signaling a continued legal discourse on the rights of Sikh individuals within the aviation industry and the accommodation of their religious practices.